Chain rule. Kunin natin ang derivative. So, yung inner term natin, ayan, 8x squared minus 16. Outer term is cosine. Kunin natin ang derivative ng u, du over dx. So, 8x squared minus 16. So, pag-derive natin yan, 2 times 8, 16, 2 minus 1, x na lang. So, yung negative 16, 0 na yan eh. Sunod, yung y, dy over dx. So, yung derivative ng cosine is negative sine. So, yun lang. Substitute na natin sa formula. Formula natin is dy over dx is equal to ano pala to? Dy over du dy over du multiply to du over dx. So, yung dy over du natin, negative sine. Then, yung u, papalitan na natin yun ng 8x squared minus 16. Dahil ang u is equal to 8x squared minus 16. So, multiply natin sa du over dx. Du over dx is 16x. Ayan. So, yung final, yung first derivative natin, i-multiply natin, magiging negative 16x sine 8x squared minus 16. Ayun. Yun ang sagot.